Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to talk about Zetachain. So I'm going to show you guys how to check if you are eligible for the Zeta token. So you can see that on the 22nd of January 2024 there was a post on Zetachain official X account, formerly known as Twitter. You can see that Airdrop claim eligibility is live in Zeta Hub. Anyone can now enter phrase Z21 to get ready for the launch of Zetachain token. And so as of July 2023 I made a video about it, and also in 2022 November I also made a video about Zetachain. And for those of you that followed all the instructions, congratulations. So snapshot was taken on the 20th of August 2023. So for you to check your eligibility, what you need to do is to visit this site. So you need to visit hub.zetachain.com/claim. So I'm going to drop it at the description of this video. What you need to do is to click on it, then it's going to take you to your browser. Make sure to click on connect wallet. So now what you need to do is to, I have read blah blah blah, you click on enter. What you need to do is to click on connect wallet and see if you are eligible. Then I click, I'm going to select MetaMask for this campaign. So make sure to connect the wallet that you're using participating in Zetachain campaign before 20th of August 2023, because that was the day snapshot was taken. Now you click on next, click on connect. So I'm connecting my wallet now. You wait for it to load like this. So I used 2 accounts to participate in this campaign. So this is my second account. I got 187 Zeta token, so I'm to claim it at mainnet launch. So you can see the eligible criteria for why I got the Zeta token. So my second account, which I use in participating in Zeta token, you are going to see that I just got a Zeta access packed at mainnet. So if you read this, congratulations, because of your contribution to Zeta Labs, you are eligible to get a Zeta access pack at the launch of mainnet. This will provide you with Zeta to do your first transaction and get started in Zetachain upcoming SP program. So this is how to check if you got Zeta token or not. And for those of you that participated in the Zetachain campaign by watching my video, congratulations, you are eligible for this. So it's not just by referring, your interaction also on the Zeta ecosystem is also important. And I think Zetachain is going to start with a massive price, and my prediction for this project is within the range of 0.5 to $2, because this is a big and massive project, the first of its kind. So guys, I would love to hear from you if you got Zetachain token and how many token did you get. So for those that got it, congratulations. So for those that got the Zeta access pack at mainnet, congratulations also. Let's just hope this is going to be worth it at the end. So I got 2 rewards. So one is the Zeta token and the other is access pack blah blah blah. So they took snapshot on the 20th of August 2023. How I wish the snapshot was maybe early this year or around November. I know a lot of you would get massive token, and a lot of you also will be eligible for this token. So please make sure to follow my channel so that you not miss out on important information, because there are a lot of projects I've talked about and they have not taken snapshots yet. They have not announced listing of token. Please make sure to go through my channel to see the ones that you have to participate in. So there are a lot of airdrop campaign tags that you need to refunds, and there are some you just need to dedicate your time and patience and just participate in it for free. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this, and if this video was helpful, give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal gains to your wallet.